Wait, is that the black line? Giraffe. What? Zebra. It's a coat. It's reindeer. This is the black line.
Look, there's another one.
Oh, there it is.
There's another one.
Find out. Maybe it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Oh, it's sleeping. They do like snow. How they up and down. There's another one.
Try. Where are we?
Slovenia.
Look here.
Hi guys! We're in Mount Vogel in Lake Bohinj. It's 1,535 meters of pure mountain. And behind us and in front of us is some beautiful mountains, some beautiful snow. And behind us, you can see the snow. To the right. And we have just a giant chair. So we hung up to this freezing icy land. And I am going to complete one of my bucket lists. Touching snow. Because I have always wanted to touch snow. It's one of my biggest bucket lists. It's gonna come true right here. I'm so excited. I'm not even scared, even though I'm terrified of heights. If you look underneath, you can see the ground, and I am not terrified. I'm not terrified at all. I'm just so happy. So happy.
Show us where we rode.
So, if you could see this mountain in front of us, the distant one. Then if you see those little villages up to the left, that's where we came from. Where we did all side paths and we came on bike. And it was long. Bye guys, and see you on the road.
Ah! Do you just throw a snowball at me?
Ow, ow. Actually, you can get frostbite.
You're in snow, Ty. You're in snow. Ow! That's hard.
I've always wanted to do that to you. Okay, let's go, me.